In today's video, I am going to teach you how to open images in a Lightbox on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and open your website dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your site and make updates. Once you are inside the correct page or section of your website, look to the top left corner and click Edit. This will open the visual editor, which allows you to make changes directly on the page while seeing how the layout looks. After the editor loads, find the image block that you want to modify. When you click on the image block, a small floating toolbar will appear nearby. On that toolbar, click the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil. This opens the settings panel for that specific image, where you can adjust how the image behaves and appears on the page. At the top of the image settings panel, click the Design tab. This section contains display and styling options for the image block. Scroll through the available settings until you find the Lightbox option. When Lightbox is turned on, visitors can click the image on your live site and view it in a larger pop-up overlay. This is useful when you want to showcase photos more clearly without taking up extra space in the page layout. Once you locate the Lightbox setting, toggle the switch to on. In some cases, additional styling options may appear after enabling it. If they do, choose your preferred Lightbox theme. This controls the visual style of the pop-up, so select the option that best matches the overall design of your website. When you are finished, click anywhere outside the settings panel to close it. This brings you back to the page editor so you can review the image block and continue working if needed. Finally, go to the top left corner again and click Save to apply the changes. Saving is important so that the Lightbox setting is published to your site properly. After that, your image should open in a Lightbox when clicked by visitors, giving them a cleaner and more focused viewing experience. If you are updating multiple images, you can repeat the same process for each image block you want to use with Lightbox. That covers everything you need to know.